In this video, we'll show you how to use the job and resume match tool. So the first thing you want to do is you want to copy and paste your resume into the section on the left. On the section on the right, you want to copy and paste the job description you're interested in, or the job you're interested in. So we've pasted both of those, and then we want to click match. As this is processing, it takes a little bit of time, but the results will come back momentarily. It's important to know how well we match and how we compare to the position we want. And there it is, there's our results. So it gives the best recommendations to align with your resume to this position. It gives examples of what you need to do as well as the skills. So this is recommending that I would not be a good fit for the Power BI experience. It says Power BI experience is lacking. However, this also then tells you that if this is where you want to go with your career, then you need to acquire those skills. So that's how quick and easy it is to use the resume to job matching tool. Thank you.